Okay, so we haven't cooked pheasant before. Let's have a look at this.
Oh, it's got a hairy bum.
Its backside's hairy.
Oh no, Ali, I'm not appetised.
This has just been. By the way, no, hang on a minute. It's basically just been shot. So, we're not gonna. We're definitely gonna. Oh, it needs to go down the barber's. Still some hair on him. Don't worry, they'll singe off. We've got a razor.
Oh no, I'm not keen.
Look up the arsenal.
It's all hairy down there.
Oh well, we'll put some onions in there, I'm sure.
Looks like your bum.
Ooh. Yeah.
He's not looking appetising.
No.
Oh,
Make him look appetising.
I'm not overly excited about
Don't
that.
worry
Oh,
about
you
that.
can see the. Oh god.
Don't worry, I'm washing them.
Oh, give him a good scrubbing. Get your fucking shavers out.
Right, stop. I've made a garlic butter. I'm going to spread it over the young man.
Over the hairy young man.
Yeah, I wasn't able to. Everywhere's booked up for appointments for haircuts, so I wasn't able to get him in.
We're gonna make a gravy with the red wine.
Yeah, got some onions there to go as well. I want to put a little bit. See them little breasts there? Look. Oh yeah, get the butter right in there. Right, these hairy breasts.
Dreading. Oh.
Nope.
I'm dreading eating this, to be honest with you. I've heard mixed reviews. My mum said it tastes like chicken that's been farted on, so I'm looking forward to that. Love a bit of farty chicken.
Oh yeah.
And hairy.
Oh. Come to the right place then. Alright, get down, bitch.
Ooh, we're getting off his arsenal.
Yeah, well, I'm sorry that this might look a little bit rude, but this is part of cooking sometimes.
Fingering dead carcasses.
It's not just a carcass yet, it's still got some meat on it.
Oh yeah. Spread them legs.
Now that's flavour all on that, look at that. Ooh.
Yeah.
And then I'm going to shove.
An onion up his arse.
You don't know there's a he.
I said it.
In it goes. And another one just in there, please. Yeah.
I'll spread it open and flick the bean.
Now he's ready.
It's not a he.
Oh yeah.
She's a hairy little woman.
He's going to go in for. By the way, that's just that's the bed that it's going to sit on. I'm gonna put him in for about 10-15 minutes to try and get a nice crispy skin on. I'm gonna spray him with a bit of oil, and then hopefully get a little bit of a crisp, and then I'm gonna cover it
With some chicken stock.
No, yeah, well, I'm gonna cover it with tin foil, put chicken stock in, a little bit of red wine maybe, and then we'll see what happens.
Give it a little that. Ow! Oh yeah!
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's what you want them looking like, boy.
Is it?
Right, got some boiling hot oil here. And we've got some little...
Oh!
cunts.
If that would happen.
Yeah, went
That's
right on
right.
my leg. Funny.
Chuck some rosemary on then.
Where did you put the rosemary?
It's over there, son. Oh, lovely. Alright, get that in the oven now. Alright, he seems to have crisped up a little bit there. You can see some nice little marks there. I'm gonna
Yeah,
get
he looks a bit
some-
more appetising now.
It does a little bit, doesn't it? I'm going to get some chicken stock in now. Bit of lumps there, because see if it didn't mix it very well.
No, you
That's fine.
gave me another job to do. Sorry,
Got a
sir.
bit of red wine. Just going to...
Completely missed the pheasant. Sir.
And then just to make it so it's nice and juicy, gonna layer it up. Bit of tin foil.
Oh, how much tin foil are you using? You moan at me when I use that for my sandies.
Yeah, well, you don't use tin foil for sandwiches. That's called sandwich bags.
Well, they kept getting used for the cat shit.
Okay. Alright, it's going in now.
See ya.
Oh, Jesus.
Careful, it's just come out the oven, pal.
Ah,
Put the other glove on. It's over there.
alright.
Getting a facial. She's looking quite nice.
Yeah, well, let me just check. Oh, ow. Yeah, the pheasant is ready. We're just going to leave it now to rest.
I've eaten one before, but it doesn't appear to be much meat.
Okay.
We'll see when it's all dished out.
Yeah. Roasties he was made.
They look so good.
Cut one open.
Alright.
You got there after. Oh, you're burning it, are you?
No, you need to turn the flame down. Whoa!
It's hitting on the honey, that's why.
Licking my potatoes.
Oh yeah. This is the gravy I made from the pheasant itself. Chuck them over. Look at Eva's roasties there. Look.
They do look really good. If I do say so myself.
I'm gonna have a look and see how good they are. Are they fluffy in the middle?
Of course they are, boy.
Yes, they are, boy. Right, let's give them a go. With my hands. Very good.
What do you think of the roast potatoes?
Crunchy.
Man, a few words.
Right.
Right, guess the pheasant a go then, because your dad's
My
waiting.
first go on pheasant. Never had it. I've cooked it correctly. Bit of pressed here, so no bone. First one. That's nice. Can't fault it actually.
You don't think it tastes like chicken that's been farted on?
I know where people come from when they say chicken. Yeah, it's really nice.
You like that?
Yeah, I do like it, yeah.
Yeah.
I can't compare it
It's
to
an acquired taste, man.
Yeah, that is lovely.
Yeah.
I like pheasant then. Yeah.
Right.
Right, let's see if Eva likes it. Bit of gravy for Eva as well.
Bit of water. With wine in it. Right, there's a bit there. I'm scared.
You've got the hairy bit.
Tastes like chicken.
You like it?
Yeah, but I didn't appreciate the hair comment. That put me off a bit. Yeah,
Well, it
it's
did.
quite nice. It just does taste like chicken. I don't know where people were saying it tastes like farts. I can't taste any farts.
No, ham smells of farts, but it
Yeah,
doesn't
it's
taste
once
like
you have a
farts.
couple of bits in it.
Right, then
And
it's
it really
then
kicks in,
Let
man.
me try a bit of the hairy
yeah,
skin.
and the hairs will. So.
Ugh, it's still hairy.
Yeah. I know, well, they ain't plucked
Ooh.
it properly.
No thanks.
That goes on there.
I'm going to try one of my roasties.
Well, we've already.
Well, we've established what the roasties are like.
Yeah.
Just dig into
Well, I'm
that
not-
hairy fucker there,
Yeah.
man. Go on. Dig into that fucking hairy
Yeah.
thing. Go on.
Get the hairs down here.
Get
Come
it
on.
down you. Put hairs on your chest, man.
Yeah, come on. Drop them balls.
I don't want it.
Here.
You actually don't want it anymore.
Well, there's no meat on it. I've just got hair.
Yeah.
Hairy bits.
There you go. Eat
There you
that.
go. Get that in
Get
there.
it down
Go on,
you.
go on, son. Go on.
I don't
Yeah.
want it. It's disgusting, isn't it? It's so fucking.
Tastes like chicken.
Yeah, that's
It's all
nice,
full
isn't
of
it?
hairs, man.
hair.
Hair's all the way through it, man.
Mm.
Probably more hair than you've got on your head.
I bet you, yeah. You're eating it all, aren't you?
Oh well, a bit of hair never did no harm.
So what do you think, an out of 10, would you give the pheasant, though?
I wouldn't eat it again.
You wouldn't?
There's no meat. It's just,
Well, it's a small bird, isn't it?
it doesn't taste bad.
Don't waste it.
That ain't a small bird.
It doesn't taste bad, it's just...
It's quite a large bird, really. Pheasant.
Yeah.
Right, Dad wants to make his sandies for work.
Yeah.
Overall, I'd say the meal's nice, but...
Potatoes are nice, carrots are nice. Not too keen on the pheasant.
The
that's what you're
pheasant's
saying.
alright, but I'm not
Have
keen
you tried
on...
my carrots?
Do you want a banana?
Yeah. Wash it down with.
Right.
Alright. My final thoughts on it. Yeah, I'd eat it again. I probably wouldn't cook it the way I cooked it. I'll probably fry it first and then put it in. Yeah.
You're getting the gamey taste now, aren't you?
Yeah. Need a bit of carrot to go with it, you see. But all round, yeah, I don't mind pheasant. So it's been a ball ache to cook it, but yeah, I'd probably give it like a 7. I'd probably give it like a 7. Yeah, it's not the best of meats, but there you go.
But
Overall, I can finish this plate, and if I don't want to finish all that, I can finish it with vegetables.
the roasties are good.
Yeah.
Bye.
Thanks for watching.